Practice different types of makeup for special occasion. Welcome to this module. In this session, we will demonstrate bridal makeup for special occasions. I hope you will discover your potential and interest in this field. Join us as we explore the different procedures for makeup.
Bridal makeup look. Cleanse your face. Before you apply makeup to your face, you should wash it and remove any excess oils or dirt. Use a gentle cleanser and wash your face with warm water and then pat it dry with a towel. Moisturize your face. Moisturizer is important to apply before makeup because it restores the natural oils to your face and keeps your face from drying out or becoming flaky. Apply primer. Primer goes on before the rest of your makeup and helps your makeup last longer. If you're going to be up late or at a party where there will be a lot of dancing, primer will prevent you from having to reapply your makeup again. Use a foundation. After your primer has dried, apply foundation to your skin, blending it in with a foam sponge, your fingers or a foundation brush. Use a foundation that is suited for your skin type and try to choose a foundation that matches your color. Conceal blemishes and dark circles. Using a concealer that also matches your skin color, dab your blemishes areas with a small dot of concealer. Then, blend it in softly with your middle finger. Set your makeup with powder. Powder also helps your makeup stay and keeps your face from looking extra oily. Use a powder brush and dip it into loose powder. Then gently swipe the powder across your face, blending it in by making small swirls with a brush. Finish using downward strokes. Apply an eyelid primer. Dip your finger into the primer and apply a thin layer on your upper eyelid below the crease. This primer will help your eyeshadow last longer, just like the other primer you applied. Allow the primer to absorb into your skin and sit for a minute or so before you apply the rest of your makeup. Choose your colors. If you're going to a more formal event, you may want to stick to browns and grays. If you're going to a fun event, you may choose to use a shimmery eyeshadow. If you aren't sure what looks best on you, try out some different shades before your party. Apply eyeshadow. Start by applying a light, neutral shade of eyeshadow to your upper eyelid below the crease, and then blend it into the crease with an eyebrow brush. Then apply a light, shimmery eyeshadow like cream or white to the inner corners of your eyes for an extra highlight. Apply blush. If you plan on taking a lot of pictures at your party, blush is important because it can help highlight your cheekbones and prevent your face from looking pale or washed out. Apply bronzer to contour. To add a bit of color and contouring to your face, apply a bronzer 1 to 2 shades darker than your skin color. Use a sweeping motion with a brush across your face and create a 3, starting at your forehead, moving to your cheeks, and then ending at your chin. Highlight your eyes with an eyeliner. You can use a liquid or pencil eyeliner on your eyelids. Draw a thin line of eyeliner on your top eyelid above your lash line, starting from the corner of your eye and moving to the end of your eyelid. For a more dramatic line, you can create a wing or cat eye with your eyeliner, drawing the line out past your eyelid half an inch or so. Apply eyeshadow under your eye. Use a medium shadow, not a white but not a dark gray, something like a beige or brown. And apply a thin line of eyeshadow from the outer corner of your eye to the middle of your eye with a thin eyeshadow brush. Then, smudge and blend it in with your finger or with an eyeshadow brush. Moisturize your lips. This step is beneficial when you know you're going to be wearing your lipstick a long time. Moisturizing your lips helps prepare them for your lipstick by removing any dryness. Apply a sugar or exfoliating scrub to your lips. Then rinse it off and apply a layer of lip balm. Allow the lip balm to sit on your lips for a few minutes, then blot it off. Use a lip liner to line your lips. Choose a lip pencil or liner that closely resembles your natural lip color. This will help prevent your lipstick from bleeding past your lips. To keep the color from fading from your lips, you can also color in your lips with your lip liner. Apply a bold lipstick color. Start from the center of your top lip and swipe a thin layer of lipstick outwards, trying to stay inside your lips. Then, apply lipstick to your bottom lip and rub lips together to evenly coat. You can choose a bright red, dark red, pink, or if you want something simple, choose a neutral color. Apply mascara. For the final touches to your eye, choose a mascara suited for your hair color. Dip your mascara brush in your bottle and start at the base of your top lashes, underneath them. Then, wiggle your mascara brush through your lashes.
Now that everyone has a solid grasp of the makeup methods, there are several practical example films to help you understand even better. And we think that it piqued your curiosity in this subject. Thank you.